Space is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders. Every corner of the universe hides secrets that challenge what we think we know. Today we'll uncover 10 mind-blowing space facts that will expand your understanding of the cosmos. Let's get started. 1. Imagine a planet made of diamonds. That's 55 Cancri E, located 40 light-years away. Its carbon-rich surface sparkles under immense pressure. With temperatures exceeding 4,000 degrees, this dazzling world is inhospitable, but its beauty makes it one of the universe's most fascinating treasures. 2. Mars is home to Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system. It's so massive it could cover the state of New Mexico. Standing 3 times taller than Mount Everest, Olympus Mons is a testament to the ancient geological power of Mars. 3. Contrary to popular belief, space isn't silent. NASA has recorded electromagnetic waves that can be converted into eerie sounds. These haunting tones reveal the hidden symphony of the cosmos, a mysterious melody from the stars. 4. On HD 189733b, it rains molten glass sideways. Winds there blow at over 5,400 miles per hour, hurling glass particles across the atmosphere. Its vivid blue color may look serene, but this planet's atmosphere is a cosmic nightmare. 5. The universe is expanding faster than we ever imagined, driven by a mysterious force called dark energy. Some galaxies are moving so quickly that their light will never reach us, leaving permanent voids in the cosmos. 6. The moon likely formed billions of years ago when a Mars-sized object collided with Earth, ejecting debris into orbit. Over time, this debris coalesced into the moon we see today, shaping Earth's tides, seasons, and even its evolution. 7. The moon's dark side isn't always dark. It simply refers to the side that never faces Earth due to tidal locking. This hidden region has been explored by spacecraft, revealing untouched craters and terrains billions of years old. 8. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star, is so massive it would engulf Earth if placed in our solar system. This star is nearing the end of its life. When it explodes in a supernova, it will create a spectacular light show across the galaxy. 209. On Venus, a single day lasts longer than a year, so it takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 days to orbit the Sun. Venus also spins in the opposite direction of most planets, adding to its list of unique characteristics. 10. Rogue planets are untethered worlds drifting through space without a star to orbit. They wander in eternal darkness. Scientists estimate billions of these planets exist in our galaxy, carrying mysteries we may never uncover. Space is an endless source of wonder, from diamond planets to rogue worlds. The more we explore, the more questions arise. Which of these facts amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our unusual universe. Your support helps us bring more cosmic wonders to life. Stay curious and keep looking up. The universe is full of endless possibilities waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time with more incredible stories about our unusual universe. Remember, the stars aren't just above us. They're part of us. Stay inspired and keep exploring. Every corner of the cosmos has a story to tell. Until next time, keep questioning, learning, and discovering. See you in the next video, where we'll unravel more fascinating mysteries from the depths of space.